Welcome to Okija, one of the historic communities in Hiala local government area of Anambra State. Over many generations, the community has grown. Through oral tradition, the people of Okija, festivals and values unite families from one generation to the next. These traditions continue where history lives, where culture thrives, and tradition is preserved. Come follow our journey through the history of Okija. Okija is a union of ancient villages. Each village in Okija has its own identity, respected families, customs and traditions, craftsmanship and education, and strong community leadership. It is one of the oldest. The town traces its ancestry to Achala Ogidi, and Achala who was a great hunter. He migrated here with his family in search of fertile land. When Achala arrived, he discovered thick forests, rich farmland, and the rivers. His descendants cleared the forests. They established compounds that became villages. Okija evolved from Okija Achala. It means where Achala settled. This comes from oral tradition. He had 4 sons, Okija, Ihembos,